Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will just show you very interesting problem of binary tree. Let's see what is the problem, and then after show you solution, how could you solve this problem? So let's start the read the question. So first is check that for the BST. So BST means is binary search tree. So let's see what is a BST, and then after I will show you solution. Given the root of binary tree, check this whether is binary tree is or not. So what is a binary tree? We are considering that is BTS is a cannot contain the duplicate nodes, and if BTS defined as flows, there is side tree, left subtree of node contain only node with its keys less than of node keys. This is left side node of binary tree only for its content is less than its node of tree. Just like you can say node of tree, yeah, you can or you can say just like a root node of tree. So it is always contain the left side node, left side sub trees, sub node is always contain that element. Yeah, a node is always less than its root side node, and a right side nodes, subtree of nodes contain only node with keys greater than its node of keys. So right side nodes always is greater than its root side, and both are left and right subtree must be always binary search tree. So when is find that combination, when is finding of that combination trees, so that tree is called this binary substrees. So I hope you understood what is the binary subtree. So as it is, you have to check that whether is given tree is binary tree or not. So let's see which approach I will be using. So inside this, I will use very simple approach. I will use recursion, just like you know that recursion, just like its function call it itself. So it's called the recursion. So it is you haven't idea of recursion. So I recommended you go and watch the video about the recursion, because that recursion method you always often you use for the solve the trees problem. So I request you go and watch this video. Then after you able to solve that problem, understood the problem, what's going in behind it. So I hope you understood that recursion method. So let's start the solve the problem. So just like a given state 2, 1, and 3. So you can see the right side node is always it's a less than is root node. So it is a root node, and left side node. Sorry, left side node is uh, less than this you can say the less than is smaller than is root node, and right side node is bigger than is root node. So this combination is true, and this called the binary search tree. So how could you check that given tree is vanity or not? So I will be use a recursion method. So I will make a one function, just like give the name of function, whatever you want to give the name function, and inside the function pass the three parameters. One is a node, or existing node. Currently, when I will call that function with that values, and one is a mean values, and second is a max value. I will pass three parameters. So when I first time pass it, when I pass the first time, so this time, uh, this time the two parameters will be undefined, and I will check that condition one condition given inside this. First is like a node dot data. So I just write in short form. I will show you all the things, all the condition inside the solve when I'm solving the problem. So there is clearly shown. So I will just main values. I will pass this mean mi, and max is a max value. And when is first to come time, so at that time is mean is, or mean we will consider as a undefined. So when both are just like this, any values when is finding, so it will be true because I'm using the or operator, or just you know that is what is the nature of the or operators. Anyone is considered true, so that is entire things as a considered true. So undefined, I will write undefined as it is. Check with this max values. So one condition I've checked for node and data, check max values, whatever max values. So that values should be greater than is node values. And when is come to first time, so max value uh, this time would be is undefined. Say that right is undefined. When this condition will be true, so it's go to inside this and check that left node available unit. Where I'm checking left node node dot left. When is available, so I will be call that function with updated value, just like I've passed in node dot left and with mean values and pass that max values. So max value this time what is? So this time max value would be a node value. So node value was so node dot data, because this is a max value. As it is, I will check this right side value and we'll call that same thing. When is call the right side value? So I will be that value I will pass is here because it's a mid value and it's a max value. So it will go and check other thing. So I hope you understood the entire process. So you haven't understood, don't worry. I will be all the things, all the doubt your clarify my with my code. So I request you till the end watch my videos. You will be definitely understood the entire process, entire problem. So first erase it, then after show you solution. Let's start the coding. So I will first make a one variable answer. Let's give this value one and we consider as a nothing is available, so it's a one. And after that, make a one function. So I will using arrow function, which you have to use normal function. You can use. I will type loop and inside the pass three parameters. So pass node, mean, and max. Inside this, I will be check node node dot data. Will be mean values. When mean is equal to first time you will be undefined. Undefined. And one condition I will also write for this max value. So is check node dot data that max. And first time it will be max undefined. Undefined. When both condition is true, so it's come inside this. So I will check this for this node available is left hand node. When is available, I will call that function with updated value. So type loop with node dot left main values, because inside this I will be pass some max value. So I node dot data as it is. I will be why I'm here is a pass, not a pass inside the mean value, because mean values we are not just like is take example of this one. So I will pass that values 2 with the root values. Root value check it. This time is only for is node is go to define, but is mean and max is not a defined. If these two values are undefined, go and check. Let's check that condition. So mean and max is undefined. So check node available. Yes, it's a light side node available. So it's go and node dot left. So node dot left is go with this address. And mean, why I'm not passing this mean, because mean when I'm passing, so it is go to this one. But I need to is max value, because we have to compare with the max values and given that node. So I will check, I will be go to mean value and this is a max value. So I will check this right side node. So that's why reason I'm not a passing in node data here and passing the data is max value, because this is a node values. So node value is always considered as a root values. A root values, you know, that is on left side node is always keep that values less than root values, lower than a root value. So that's why I'm passing the max value, because max values always check that this value. So node is always when it's come to new updated value. So this time is node is the indicator of that values one, and check one data, and max is this time is which is indicate. So I'm passing it two, because two is a node dot data, so it will be indicate of this value. So say so it is a condition true, so it come again in this loop. I hope you understood. And here I'm passes check this node dot write, and look node dot write, and pass here is a main value. So pass node dot data and pass max. When is any condition node of finding is is greater than of that value, so it is a node of binary tree. So it is go to set that value, answer is 0. After that, we call this look this with root value, and after we go to print this outside. So let's see, it's a running and all. Oh, sorry, I'm not a, what's the problem with that code? Why is it running? One second, take too much time. Oops. Oh, sorry, yes, give that. Let's see. I think it's now is working fine. You can see it's a binary tree. So let's see, it is submitting and all. You can see entire test case is passed. So I hope you understood this entire problem, entire solution. So yeah, if you have any problem, so please leave me message in description box. I will definitely answer your message. So thank you watching my video till the end. So we will meet in next time, next with the next video. So take care, be practice, keep practice your coding and increase your skills. So thank you watching my video.